My name is Mark Towler with Phase 2 Interactive. I'm the CEO and founder, and then we also have another company, Drakewell, and I'm one of the co-founders of Drakewell. So we started Phase 2 in 1998 as a spin-off of a technology company. At the time, we were doing a lot of website work, and the company that we were with wanted to focus on other parts of the technology spectrum. So on the Phase 2 side, we do custom application development, a lot of enterprise custom development for companies. So we come in and ask what some of their business problems are, and then how we can use technology to solve those and deliver products for them that are unique to what they need to run their business more effectively. We used to do a lot of website work. We don't do that anymore. It's mostly large-scale custom application development work for Phase 2. And customers are mostly around here, but although we've done work for companies in Canada, Texas, and all over the US, but primarily our customers are located in the greater Oklahoma area. When we first started, we were doing a lot of website programming work because that was back in '98 and people were still trying to get familiar with what the World Wide Web was. But even then, we tried to focus on the more difficult projects where we could have a higher business impact. And so over time, what that evolved to is we were doing larger scale applications, more difficult problems to solve. And so we moved from doing sort of the website programming side to really building custom software for companies. And so much more software engineering focused, going after more higher value issues that companies have. So we've moved beyond the website programming and really doing custom application development work, trying to help enterprises operate more efficiently using web technologies. So we have 25 people between both Phase 2 and Drakewell. The majority of those folks are software engineers, software developers, people that are designing the products that we work on. And we also have a handful of administrative and sales kind of people. But the majority of our team is really smart technical talent that's really difficult to find. So when we do find them, we try to make sure they're very happy here at Phase 2. When I first moved here in '95, I came from Silicon Valley. And so back then there was a goal to try to help build the technology space here. But one of the things I noticed back then was that the concept of failing or failing forward was very prevalent in Silicon Valley. But here at the time, it wasn't quite so accepted. And I guess in the 20 years I've been here, or 20 plus years I've been here, that's really changed. There's a great deal more acceptance of the fact that with high tech and technology initiatives, not all of them work. And so people are much more willing to take risks with their financial investments in technology. I would say for Phase 2, we're constantly trying to do things differently, knowing that not everything we do is going to work. So we're growing our Phase 2 business side. We've got a handful of customers. We're doing large scale application development. We've got Drakewell spun off as a separate company. And ideally what we're going to do as Drakewell kind of gets on its own, gets its own legs, is that we find other opportunities to take some of the custom programming from Phase 2 and turn that into another spin-off company. That's kind of the model that we've got in our heads over the next 10 years. We think we can do that successfully several times. If you're a software developer looking for a home, we'd love to talk to you.